Hello there, it's Gamers Police, and today I'm gonna show you my game collection. And yeah, so let's start off with this Uncharted box that I got over here. Infamous 2 action figure and Uncharted 3 action figure. My 3DS, my DS, my PSP, and these are some of the PS3 games I got here. Jak and Daxter collection, which comes with Jak and Daxter 2 and 3, Call of Duty MW3, Infamous 2, Assassin's Creed 3, and Secret Agent Clank. PlayStation All-Stars Battle Royale, Assassin's Creed Revelations, Uncharted 2 Among Thieves, Dragon Ball Raging Blast, Residence Retribution, Ratchet & Clank Full Frontal Assault, Prince of Persia, The Incredible Hulk, Call of Duty and Modern Warfare 2, Need for Speed, Pro Street, and I'm so sorry for the light that's coming in the way. Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty Black Ops, Midnight Club Los Angeles, Ratchet & Clank, the 3 full games, Daxter, Assassin's Creed 3, Little Bit Planet, and the Charted metal case, which looks pretty cool. It comes with, looks pretty cool inside. It's the disc and its background of the disc. Looks pretty cool. Paper Mario Stick Star, Mario Kart 7, New Super Mario Bros. 2, Pokemon Pearl, Rayman DS, Pokemon Platinum, Pokemon Black 2, Pokemon Soul Silver. This is the case for it. Pokemon White. And I got some other games such as Mario and Luigi Partners in Time, Pokemon Soul Silver, another one, Pokemon Ranger. I actually found that on the floor. R4, Cars Racemania, Super Mario Bros. 3, SpongeBob, Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, Pokemon Emerald, Pokemon Leaf Green, Mario Kart, Pokemon Red, Hot Wheels, AR cards, my DS case, my 3DS, sorry, my PSP, and yeah, that's about it. So, rate, comment, subscribe, and leave in the comments below which game I should play for my next video. Okay, bye.